Goodbye cholesterol, blood glucose, lipids, and triglycerides. I saw this blood test, and it both stunned me and amazed me at the same time. All the parameters, including the blood glucose, urea, lipids, cholesterol and triglycerides were higher than the normal levels. This was shown to me by my teacher. He also said that anyone having these parameters must have already died. Then he revealed to me that it was the blood of the professor. He displayed another sheet analysis where I found the blood parameters to be normal. He told me that was the analysis of his blood 30 days after the first test. When I checked the dates on the two sheets, I found them to be right. So my teacher had an advice in store for me, and I took it readily. I began using his effective treatment, and I was amazed by the results the same way I was by the changes in his blood tests. Now I repeat this treatment every year to ensure that my blood parameters have the normal levels. Whenever I notice that my blood tests are beginning to become diverse even slightly, I start this treatment immediately. This is an all-natural treatment and you can also use it for your blood and overall health. This is what you should do: get raw pumpkin and peel around 100 grams of it and chop into pieces. Put the pieces into a blender with some water. Prepare a pumpkin water smoothie. Drink it 15 to 20 minutes before you take your breakfast. Drink it every week for 1 month. It is important to perform analysis before and after this treatment. You don't have to worry about any side effects from this natural drink. It is made from nothing else but pumpkin and water. Pumpkin benefits your health by cleaning the arteries and removing the LDL cholesterol from your arteries through the urine.